Hey guys, so first and foremost, happy new year. Happy 2024. Second, I have obviously had a bit of a studio change. I obviously moved into the studio in like July, and I feel like I've just been troubleshooting kind of things since then, but it was really starting to annoy me how my camera only focused on the mirror in every video, and it was really annoying. And also I hated that you could see stuff in the mirror as well. Anyway, I thought this was kind of a bit more like me, I guess. You can see, I mean, I don't know, I have all of my kind of course now it's not focusing, but yeah, I have like all of my kind of my knickknacks, I guess, in the back. Like I've got all my Simpsons stuff, my Toy Story stuff, my Legos, my pop vinyls, all that kind of stuff. So I was like, whatever, let's just have a bit of a studio change. This light is real. Hang on. Okay. So yeah, I'm hoping that you guys are going to like it. But anyway, I just wanted something a little bit different. I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit more kind of me. Also, should I aim my camera down more? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. I won't know 110% until I edit this video how it looks. But anyway, second or third thing, I guess. Don't be confused because I have pre-filmed videos that have the old background in them. But yeah, today we are going to do something a little bit different. We are going to be doing my 2024 goals. So basically, I want to do one of these every month because I've got my 2024 goals, like my goal for the whole year, and then I've also got like little monthly goals as well. So this one's going to be a bit different, but basically I'm going to read out my 2024 goals and my January goals. Then at the end of January we'll come back and I'm going to read out my, like if we achieved our January goals, and then we're going to go into our February ones and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm out of breath already. Okay. My first goal for 2024 is to save a certain amount of money. I'm not going to say what. I don't think money is something... I don't know if I'm a little bit old-fashioned. I feel like money isn't something to be super discussed on the internet. Don't know. But yeah, I have a certain amount that I want to save. This is to go towards our house deposit. My second goal of 2024 is to post on YouTube every day. I really want to challenge myself this year. I am sick of working, but no, I love my job, I do, but at the end of the day, my heart and soul is in making videos, and I really want to make money off these. I really want to support myself off these videos. Obviously, I can't do that over here, I'll have to do it on Patreon, but I feel like if I can boost my YouTube channel, that'll obviously create more people going to my Patreon, I guess. So yeah, I am planning on posting on YouTube every day, so wish me luck. I'm going to try really, really hard. I've been preparing, so hopefully we can do it. Third goal is to post on Patreon 3 times a week. So yeah, once again, I really want to follow a strict schedule this year and just really focus on posting on that every day. Every 3 days, sorry. No, 3 times a week. Oh gosh, I've just woken up, honestly. My next goal is about my weight. So last year, so weird to say now, in 2023, I quit smoking. So obviously that's good, that's great. I'm glad I don't smoke anymore. But it obviously means that I gained a fair bit of weight because I swapped out one addiction with another, which was eating. No, but honestly, when you're quitting smoking because the cravings are so bad, you're kind of looking for anything that's going to make you feel better. And, you know, so obviously eating like sweets and nice food, it kind of, you know, it gives you that little serotonin for a little bit. So yeah, I'm glad I don't smoke anymore, but I have unfortunately put on a fair bit of weight. I'm not going to tell you my goal of how much I want to weigh because once again, I feel like numbers shouldn't be discussed on the internet in a sense. Just because everyone's body type is different. These numbers are personal to me and what I know I can sit at and what I know I look the best sitting at, if that makes sense. But yeah, I will let you know how I do go with that. My next goal is to use up 150 products. I went into my bathroom the other day to put away all like the new stuff I got out of advent calendars and stuff, and I'm just so overwhelmed because there are so many products in there and so many products in my beauty room as well that I'm just like, oh my god, like, so I just want to smash through, you know, getting through some products. This year I really kind of want to focus more on using up than buying new stuff, if that makes sense. Like, I have 2 whole drawers plus a whole P. Louise box full of new makeup that we have just not even opened. Like, I could literally grab something new out of my drawers every day for the year and I still wouldn't run out. So I just really want to focus on using up products. My next goal is 4,000 patrons. So if you don't know, I have a Patreon, and that is where I make my money off these videos. People pay a monthly fee and they get exclusive videos over there. So yeah, we have 3 videos over there a week. There's 3 different tiers. Bottom tier starts at $1, and it just really helps me because I don't make money off my YouTube videos anymore. I don't think at this rate, I'll never be able to make money off my YouTube videos. I don't know if they're going to fix it in the future. But yeah, Patreon is the way to make this my career, my job. So if you want to support me over there, that would be a huge, like, yeah, I would just really appreciate it. I also want 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which I think we can do. Like, I feel like this year, every other year, I've set my goals kind of so, like, small because I'm like, well, what if I don't reach them? But this year I just want to go big. Like, why can't we get 50,000 subscribers? Why? I think that the content I make is good. I know that I care about these videos. I know that my makeup skills are okay. I think I'm likable. I hope I'm likable. So I think we can do it. I just need to have a little bit more faith in myself. The next thing is 100,000 Instagram followers. We currently sit at about 20,000, so that's only 80,000 only. But no, once again, like, I know that if I put my mind to it, we can do it. So yeah, on that note, liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, following, all that stuff helps so much. So even if you don't think that, you know, your like or your comment or your share is going to do anything, it is. So when you see my stuff, when you support my stuff, it is just so, like, I'm so forever grateful. It means more than you know. The next thing is 100 million views on YouTube. We currently have 300,000. So once again, I think we can do it, especially if I'm uploading a video every day. I think we can do it. Next one is 50,000 TikTok followers. I've only got like 2,000 on TikTok, but TikTok I feel like is one of those ones where you can post a video and blow up overnight. And I do really enjoy TikTok. I really want to actually put a little bit more focus into it this year, and make some cooler, shorter form content. And then my last goal is 1 million likes on TikTok. Sorry. So I know that all these like goals seem very number based, but these honestly are my goals. Like, I feel like we have our house at the moment. There is nothing else that I really want to focus on this year other than boosting my, you know, my YouTube and my Patreon and my Instagram and stuff like that to turn it into a job, because that's what I want. Anyway, my January goals. So I have a smaller amount to save for January. Once again, I'm not going to say numbers. I don't want to get wrapped up in that, but I have a small amount to save this month. And obviously, like, each month, if I save that small amount, it'll create the end amount. Does that make sense? You know what I'm saying? The next thing I want to do this month is use up 20 products, which I think we can do. I have so many candles, and something that I've been really great at lately is burning my candles. I used to, like, I literally cannot remember, like, I did not used to burn my candles. I just used to buy them and never burn them, but now I have 2 going. I've got one up here. We have one in the lounge room. We actually got a bunch of furniture for Christmas, so our house is really coming together, and I feel like it's making me more inspired to, like, burn candles and do stuff like that. So yeah, my second goal is to use up 20 products, which I think we can do. I want to do my skincare and body care every day. I am good-ish at skincare, but then I'll fall off the bandwagon for like a week. So I really want to be like, even if it's only cleansing and moisturizing, I want to get in that routine of doing my skincare every single day. Same with like my body care. And by body care, I mean, I'm really good at in the shower, you know, like using all my shower gels and body scrubs and stuff like that. But I'm so bad at moisturizing when I get out of the shower. So I just want to make sure that I'm doing that every day, create a little habit out of that. My next goal is I only want to spend I have a $200 budget this month on non-essentials. We have just had Christmas. I've just unboxed like over 20 advent calendars. Let's say it together. I do not need to buy makeup. It's so hard to escape the FOMO sometimes, but yeah, I really You know, we have, yeah, I've got so much stuff from Christmas, so much stuff from the advent calendar, so much stuff that I've bought that I don't need to buy any makeup. So I want to, you know, have that 200 on non-essentials. So that means, you know, makeup and body care and skincare and all that kind of stuff. We do need to buy some more furniture and stuff. I don't know what I consider that at the moment, if I consider that a non-essential or not. But in saying that, we've just got a bunch of furniture, so I feel like I can probably wait it out. The only thing we desperately need at the moment is another chest of drawers. So I'm thinking I might buy that. But I kind of consider that an essential because at the moment we have so many clothes that are just sitting in a basket in our bedroom because they can't be put away. So I kind of consider that like essential, kind of. Like it's not like, I consider it more essential than makeup, you know what I mean? Anyway, the second one is a little weight goal. I just want to lose, you know, a couple of kilos, but once again, we're not going to get wrapped up in numbers. And then my last goal for January is to get 20 Patreons. At the moment we have like 12 or something like that. So if you're seeing this and you want to support my Patreon, the link is just down below. We do a lot of fun videos over there, and they are obviously videos that you don't get to see on YouTube, so it's just like a little bit of extra content. But yeah, so we will do a check-in in February to see how we're going with these goals and to see if we've ticked any of them off, and then I will be back obviously to do my February goals, and we will go like that until the end of the year. So yeah, I'm feeling super excited. I really want to make some changes. I feel like I always talk big talk, you know, at the start of the year, and then it all slips off. So I'm hoping that by doing these goals every month, it keeps me accountable. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, sorry, I keep looking out the window because I can see my baby out there. She's sleeping in the sun. She's so pretty. Now that, like, because now my camera is in front of the window so I can see her. Oh, I just want to go out there and give her the biggest kiss. She looks so cute. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Happy New Year. Let me know down below what goals you have for this year. No matter how big, how small, I feel like having any kind of goal is good. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.